Let's imagine that a user has modified locally on a firewall an item which is normally deployed from SMC. This could happen for a good reason, in order to quickly solve a production problem, for example, or if some hacker would want to breach the security policy that we have previously defined. For example, the modification from block all to pass all of this rule may have really important consequences. On SMC side, a warning is immediately raised. The administrator can display the difference between SMC and SNS configurations in order to understand the modification that has been performed, and he can also restore SMC configuration if necessary. So thanks to this feature, I am warned as soon as a local modification on the setting managed by the SMC is done, and I can quickly react. Potential impacts on my activity are lowered, and I can keep the security to the level I have centrally defined.